outside and knock on the door. Oh, hey, nice to see you. Welcome to my home. So, I'm going to show you my house and I'll explain everything that's in it. If you have any questions, go ahead and comment below and let's get started. By the way, my home is in Europe, so if you want a home like this, all you have to do is just arrange to be born in Europe or arrange to move to Europe and then you can have a home like that. So let's get started. This is my beautiful wall of butterflies. My friend from Italy, she brought these butterflies from Italy and has arranged them on the wall. I hope you like it. Now here I have this cool looking digital clock and this cool looking cupboard for shoes. Yeah, it's mostly men's shoes, but that's all right. So now let me show you something else. This is my key holder, cell phone holder thing. And moving right along, do you like my beautiful wallpaper? It's really cool. It's very European, right? Here I have pictures of my cats on the wall. So these are all my cats' pictures. Come along. This is where I collect all my coins. And this is all my candy for when I'm just hungry for a little bit of sweetness in my life. And this is my lovely setup. No, don't turn the phone. So come along. Here is my beautiful collection of CDs. I am not allowed to touch it though, even though it is mine. And moving right along, we are now in my beautiful living area, my guest room. Here we have this beautiful couch which I bought from Denmark. And this is my lovely, I'm not allowed to touch it, but it's my lovely chandelier. It's from
Italy.
Italy, thank you. And here is my big old TV. I hope you like it. Of course, another part of my CD collection. Don't ask me what's on the CDs because I don't know. Now follow me. This is my glass cupboard. My glass cupboard basically contains all of my glasses. And here we have my lovely dining area. I have from Denmark, Netherlands. I have this gorgeous piece. I mean, don't you just love it? It's a vase, and this is an art lamp from Italy. I bought it at a museum. And look at this chandelier, isn't it so Art Deco? It's my favorite chandelier. And then we have a picture of my pig. And he basically just got painted with a bunch of colors. And here we have my collection, my lovely collection of liqueurs. This one is my favorite. It's peach. And here I have my collection of cigars. Let's figure out how to open it. These are my Cuban cigars. So in case you're wondering, I do enjoy a nice cigar from time to time. Oh, I didn't show you my little bowl. This one is my glass bowl from Spain. And these are my beautiful other bottles of alcohol collection. Now let's let's show you the rest of my flat. So here we have other decor. Here we have my cat's play toy room, and all my cats, they jump from here to here to here to here, and then they play around. And then if you're lucky, you're gonna get to see my cats in a little bit. And this is my kitchen. You're now entering my kitchen area. Look at this. I have this gorgeous coffee collection and coffee machine. And you have, well,
tea.
We have a tea collection here. This is vanilla. We have green tea. We have, what is this?
Lemon.
Lemon
hot
tea.
Lemon.
Oh, hot lemon tea. Oh, I'm
hot.
gonna have that.
Only for hot people.
Oh my God, only for hot people. And this one, oh, smells so good. What is this?
Apple.
Apple tea.
Turkish tea.
Turkish apple tea.
Yes.
And a
rooibos.
Yes. Okay. All right. So now that you've seen my tea collection, I will show you, I mean, you've seen the kitchen area before in previous videos, so I just thought I'd just elaborate on that. And here's my fridge. Let's see what's in my fridge. Of course, I have only the healthiest of foods and healthy everything. So you will notice that I have one of the healthiest brands of champagne, and I have a vegan fig champagne, okay? And I also have, I'll surprise you with this one, a strawberry champagne, all right? So, everything else that you see in this fridge is champagnes. So as you can see, I'm super healthy. All right, now let's move on to show you the balcony. This is my lovely balcony. Again, we are in Europe, so if you want something like this, you have to come here. And this is my sitting area in my balcony. Isn't it lovely? Oh, that's so nice. This is where I enjoy my lazy afternoons of doing absolutely nothing and enjoying the European sunshine. But we have an apartment tour to finish, so let's go. Follow me. I still haven't shown you my guest room and my bathrooms. So, and my office too. And my cats. Oh, let's not forget, those are the most important. Come. All right, so here's my bedroom. This is where I go to sleep. My cat was just sleeping earlier here, but she's gone now. Her name is Emily. But basically, this is where I sleep at night. And it's a very relaxing bedroom. I'm sure you would love it. And it's, as you can see, it's done in purple. I got this bed from Italy. It's a custom-made wrought iron frame. And this one here, this is my beautiful, it's not from IKEA, I know it looks like it could be, but it's my beautiful wardrobe. And as you open it, you see all of my shirts. And they're all color coordinated, and they are ironed by my Polish housekeeper. All right, and this one here is my cat UFO. So this is where my cats go to play in a UFO spaceship. And that's the view from my balcony. My neighbors right there, and a little bit of gardening and everything. So let's move on to my main bathroom. So here, this is where I take a shower. right here. I go like this and take my shower. And this is where I go to the toilet. And I have a bath, beautiful bath here. And I would just, when I'm ready, I would just go and I would just take a nice, lovely bath in here. Ooh. So, you like it so far? I'm loving it. Let's see one more thing, the office. Now my office is very special. Where is my office? This way. And this is my gold clock. It's by Carlson. And this is my guest bathroom, by the way. Let's see. Come in. I have my beautiful potpourri. I have potpourri everywhere. I have my cat contraptions here. I of course have another shower setup and another toilet and everything else that you saw in the first bathroom. And let's go and see my office. And here's my computer. I have a guest couch, which I can have some guests stay on when they're visiting. And I sit here and I do my chatting with Russian brides from the internet. Okay, I will then go up and down and chat with my newest Russian girlfriends. I'm not a lesbian, by the way, I'm just saying. But yeah, and look at this beautiful clock that I have here. And yeah, you haven't seen my cats? Let's go look for my cats now. Oh, Emily. Oh, Luna. Oh, Emily. Have you seen my cats anywhere? Have you? No? Where are my cats? No? Not there? Oh, let's look some more. No? No cats in here? No? No? No cats here. Let's go back. Maybe they're in the bedroom. Cats in the bedroom? No. You know what? One of the cats, I think, went outside. I think maybe she's outside. Let's go look. Oh, there. There's my cat. Oh. Hi. Hi, baby. Oh, finally I found her. That's my cat, Emily. Isn't she gorgeous? That's my baby. Thank you, Emily, for showing up. Where's your sister? Where's your sister, Emily? Oh, sorry. Well, that was all for today. I want to say thank you for watching my videos and for subscribing to my channel. If you haven't had a chance to subscribe, be sure to press the subscribe button below. And be sure to give me your thumbs up. And also, I want to hear from you. I want you to comment on this video to let me know what of my European apartment tour you liked and what else you want to see in the next video. So, we couldn't find Luna, but who knows, maybe in the next apartment tour where I show you just a bit more detail of everything, maybe we'll find Luna and then we'll play with her and talk with her a little bit. So, goodbye for now, and I'll see you again soon from me, Cetsy, in sunny London. Bye!